filming?
Yeah.
It's on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Welcome back to Not Pro. I got a Not Pro dude here. He's acting kind of crazy. He's looking at me all crazy right now. We're going to be installing... What are we installing?
A light bar.
Light bar. And we're just tightening up the little screws with an Allen
Wrench.
wrench.
Not gonna read. So guys, we're gonna fix this truck
Yeah,
a lot a day.
I like that. Okay.
Keep missing you. Stop, Dad.
Okay, no, I'm just listening.
Good, but I want my spray. You should get your spray every. I know, but I have to film. Dad, you can edit that out, right?
Oh, I can edit it. Yeah.
Edit that out, can you? Hunter, move your head. Why?
Why?
Why am I big old head?
You don't got a big old head. I always thought you had a cute head. Oh, fudge.
Are you okay?
Something's in my eyeballs.
Are you okay?
Let me see. Look. Are they still brown?
There's like brown right here.
Oh, are my eyes still brown though?
Your eyes are not. They're hazel, Dad. They're hazel.
Oh, they're brown. I'm not fancy. How's this? How's it feel?
What do you feel? It's your hand. Watch your hand. It feels tight. Avery, fix.
Man, this is such a bear to do. This little Allen wrenchy.
Yeah, man. But we have to install the light bar as well. We got one. Dad, Tony texted you, by the way.
Tony who?
Tony next door.
Oh.
Right across the street.
All right, there's my phone.
Do you want me to see?
No.
Yours?
And then that's right there what I've been tightening. I used the blue tape to mark where it needs to line up. And hopefully it's center. If not, close one eye. No more squirting. Tell the girls to come here if they're going to squirt. Whoa. Not that bad. You get warmer. I'm doing something. Usually the blue pill makes you get bigger. Never mind, what are you talking about there? Never mind, don't worry about nothing, down. Another fine time. So ran the wire underneath. You can kind of see it pops out right there into the clip. Relay hood, check the hood to make sure the one still be able to go down. Had a lot of extra wiring. It's all hidden behind here. And then I'm going to start putting that in that little sheath. And then I need to get a rubber grommet for that hole, I think. It's just me though. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. And then we're one step closer with the wiring. Alright, as you see, we got it. Ran through, ordered some rubber grommets. Got it tidied away into the carpet. Shouldn't have any problems. Line will keep coming up, and booyah. There it is, right below. Other line, I think it's nice and tucked away and hidden. Let's see how it looks. Just turned it on. Nice and outside the car. Just turn it right on one button. pretty good. Let's check it out with actual headlights as well. So you see inquiring. Oh, that needs it bigger. Alright. Going, keep going all the way right here. Let's check the headlights. Check it out with the headlights. Ooh. This is ready for the zombie apocalypse. I'm gonna have to be able to shine any lights on some daywalkers, vampires. I'm on Team Liking, y'all don't do that. Pretty easy setup.